My name is Bhavishka. I study pre-class. My school name is Shishaweshala Ida Kendra CBSE School. Now, ready? Into the 26 alphabetical freedom fighters name. A for Ambedkar, D for Bhagat Singh, C for Chandrasekhar Rajan, D for Rayanda, E for Ishwachandra, F for Saraswata, G for Gokule, H for Edeva, I for Indira Gandhi, J for Jawaharlal, K for Kasturba Chiturani Chanama, for Lala Lajpat Rai, M for Mahatma Gandhi, N for Netaji, O for Honorable Obawa, P for Pandit, Q for Queen Bibai, R for Rabindranath, S for Sardar Vallabhbhai, T for Chandra Tope, E for Udham Singh, V for Vivekananda, W for Waterloo, H for Savitribai Vasudeva, I for Yeshapali, Z for Dinath Mahal. Thank you.